So we're here in the garden looking around for what we can make this afternoon, and we have a great garden bed of cilantro, and we're going to take it home and make a wonderful batch of Pepita cilantro salad dressing. So we just got back from the garden, and I thought we'd throw together dinner tonight, which is a perfect, easy, simple, perfect dinner for our family. It's a Cilantro-Pepita salad, and it pretty much has everything that we love from the garden and from the pantry. So it's things you have in your kitchen. I didn't have to go to the grocery store on the way home, and it's pretty simple. So we just finished up our dressing, and now we have this great little salad to serve to our family for dinner. I'm going to put our dressing on the side because everybody likes a little bit different amounts. But this is a great container because it does self-mixing at the table. So now we have it all emulsified and in our pouring container. And it's got this great little mixer on the end. So when we're ready, we can keep it in the refrigerator, keep it closed, and when we're ready we can just mix it up. I added some pepitas, probably a few little hemp seeds. I might put some corn and olives on the side, whatever you have in your kitchen. I might even head out and go pick some radishes to put on the top. So I ended up adding a few radishes from the garden. They're a little bit in need of being picked anyway, so they're on there, and then I couldn't resist a few little chips. So all that's left is to grab a fork and enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hate to ask, but don't forget to like and subscribe.